What's up, boys? John Funded. What our backtesting video. We haven't done this in a minute. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, we are hold on. We bought FX Replay Plus. Honestly, I think my FX Replay backtesting is not going too well, and I think it's because I click too fast and I don't see the charts too well. So we're splitting it up, and yeah. Let's go. Definitely be able to see SMTs better. Definitely trade better. Get more quality time at backtesting because half the time I'm just freaking marking stuff out. Alright, so let's jump right into it. We are recovering strong and bullish order flow after dumping. We're probably going to be filling this imbalance pretty soon. Yeah, Nasdaq's already in it. Very bullish trend. Could come up to this hourly high. So you want to see if this hourly high could have a potential bearish SMT, but both indexes seem to be printing pretty bullish. Let's see, this is Monday the 15th. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright, market open, both indexes seem to be printing bearish. Nasdaq dumped. If you get a nice little retrace, beautiful. Okay, so we're in a little predicament here. ES, can I maintain bullish structure? So ES did break to the downside. We could have a potential SMT by these lows. Higher time frame, very bullish. We have a potential hourly SMT. No, we don't. So like now we have to be a little patient here. No, yeah, 100%. Okay, so if we can push these imbalances and declare bearish order flow, yeah, we're definitely bearish. I kind of want to go short here. Stops above here. Target London low. 5-minute break, 5-minute retrace into this gap. 1-minute break along with the 1-minute inverse. Both indexes printing bearish. Higher time frame is bullish though. I'm confident in this. Displacement too. Okay, yeah. Higher time frame was bullish. We got fried. Okay, we just retraced, stopped me out. Of course, we run right to TP, boys. Love to see it. Hate that. I hate that. Why does it always happen to me? Just wow. Stop me out, runs right to TP. Love it. Stops me out. Then runs right to TP. Like, bro, of course. Shit's retarded, bro. It's a pain in the ass. Hold on, let's see if we can find indicators, bro. Yeah, how do I delete that indicator? Yo, how do I delete indicators, dude? Shit. Please tell me this shit goes away. Alright, perfect. Get manipulated and then price run right to TP, bro. Oh, my back testing is going to the shitter, bro. All right, Tuesday, 1:15. What? Oh, Paolo speaks. So let's break this down a little bit. Let's see if we have any draws on liquidity. Higher time frame. No, we could be filling up this daily gap, which I think we're gonna be doing today. Price sold off pretty strong, as y'all can see here. Could price is currently in bullish order flow. I want to see how like market opens, because right now we are in bearish order flow, but higher time frame extremely bearish. So market can open and show us a strong direction. That would be nice for us, because right now we are in a bearish downtrend in the 5-minute. If we can come up and manipulate something beautiful, this 5-minute high. Okay, displacement, bro. Alright, bro, what is this shit? We're just dumping at this point. I'm not trying to take a trade during this. Price doesn't look too smooth. Yeah, okay. We're just dumping. Price doesn't look too good. If we can like show, if we can like break to the upside or something to show that we're bullish now, like on the 5-minute. Okay, bro. Close above these swing highs. Is this the trade up to London highs? 1-to-1? Nah. Damn. Oh, day's over. Alright, bro, day's over. Fucking hell, bro. Alright, I gotta stop clicking so fast, that ass. I literally have the split screen, I'm still clicking fast somehow. We gotta break it down. Break it down. See, we're only 8 minutes in, we're already halfway to the week, bro. Averaging 4 minutes a day. Alright, so we're still in bearish order flow in the higher time frame. We did inverse this hourly gap, so we are pretty bullish on NASDAQ. But we don't have any draws on liquidity the downside to be targeting. We did get our market manipulation before New York open, so we could potentially continue lower. Start a reversal. We have a potential SMT. Alright, market open. I want to be bearish for the day due to like the lack of draws liquidity to the upside. Let's see, we could target 30-minute low, 30-minute low, 30-minute low there too. So we just need to see some direction in order flow. Potential 1-minute SMT. Alright, so price rejected out of this gap. We broke on the 5-minute. Both indexes are in bearish order flow. ES still didn't break to the downside yet in the 5-minute, but we inversed this 5-minute gap. I kind of like this. Go short here down to these 30-minute lows. First TP, second TP. 5-minute break, 5-minute retrace. Rejected out of this gap. Along with the 1-minute break. Both indexes are in bearish order flow. We have an SMT. Do we? Yeah, we have an SMT. I'm taking these shorts. Dang, beautiful, beautiful. Hold on, boys. Alright, that was well executed. Alright. SMT, 5 minute BOS, 1 minute BOS, and projected out of 1 minute gap. Both indexes in bearish order flow. Strong draws to downside. Could I potentially have gone lower? Let's see. Wow. Imagine. Hold on, even lower. Wow. Imagine you caught this, bro. Set a partial there, and then you just let it float. Oh my days, bro. That'd be insane. Anyways, well done. Correct bias. Beautiful. Welly executed. So I could definitely feel change. Honestly, I think I would have caught the SMT. Just switching back and forth. Feels way smoother. So yeah, all I gotta do is just be patient and trust in myself, bro. Like, I was on a call with Andrew yesterday, and we literally backtested together. And I broke down the days so perfectly. And he literally said, all you're doing is probably just clicking too fast and rushing. And he's exactly right. Clicking too fast, and I'm rushing. Alright, Thursday, 8:30 news. I think this is 8:30, yep. Alright, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour here. We're currently filling this daily open gap, so we're selling off pretty strong. 30-minute high. Shit. Alright, let's see what market open does. I feel like we're going to take out this draw in reverse. Okay, we immediately take out London lows. Immediately. Kind of choppy. We need to see, what's it called? We need to see, like, a change of direction. So we are selling off on NASDAQ. Like, absolutely dumping. We have a potential SMT. Yes. Okay, now if we can flip bullish here. Stop dumping. Alright. Game's gone. Maybe a little retrace. Okay, now we're retracing pretty hard. So we just inverse this 5-minute gap on both indexes. Definitely have potential to go all the way up to these highs. Okay, retracing. Just to do what? Go higher. I want price to fill this gap, bro. I don't like this gap at all. Like, I don't want to gamble gaps. Exactly, because look, we just rejected out of the gap. Strong displacement. And this is a 5-minute break. I think we enter long here off of this 5-minute break. Stopped by this 5-minute low. Both indexes are printing bullish. I like it. Alright. I'm entering long here after this 5-minute break on ES. First TP for Wanded. Alright, first TP schmacked. Boom! Bang! I already feel an improvement, boys. This feels great. So I entered off the 5-minute break to the upside. Price came down. Took out all these draws, including the downside. Started a reversal. Broke to the upside. Realistically, why would price want to reject out of this gap and continue lower? Like, the job was done to the downside. And we had a bullish SMT off this hourly low. Hold on. No. Yes. So, price was obviously going to continue higher. Alright. So, bullish SMT. Entered. Jeez. Entered after. Entered after 5-minute BOS. Market open. Alright, bro. Let me. Market open. Came down. Took out hourly draws. Started a reversal. Waited for confluence to go higher. Entered after 5-minute BOS. Stops at 5-minute low. Tons of draws to upside to target. Banged TP. Alright. Fuck. Oops. I thought the journal there's a bullish SMT too. Alright, boys. I can definitely see my back testing already improving, bro. Like, this feels great. I'm noticing SMTs more. I'm breaking down the charts more. I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Dude, May is going to be so profitable. I already feel it. Purple. Fuck no. Fuck no, baby. Alright, so we have Friday. No news Friday. Price dumps and then bull ran. So we're currently bullish. We are filling these gaps. So we are in this forward gap on both indexes. ES fully filled the gap. So we could potentially reverse, maybe go lower, but we are in bullish structure. So definitely be patient. If we can come down, maybe fill this gap and then continue higher, that would be good for us. But yeah, so my bias today would be a little bullish because we definitely have some strong attributes to go higher. Alright, so beautiful. Price is coming down currently, and we are creating an SMT. That's nice. ES shouldn't break to the down, or Nasdaq shouldn't break to the downside. Okay, this PA is kind of eh. Alright, strong displacement. ES did break to the downside. I mean, Nasdaq broke to the downside. We have an SMT currently. We don't really want to go long here. Stops the body. Continue all the way up. No news Friday. SMT, extremely bullish. We haven't really swept anything to the downside though, so I'm gonna be patient. I don't want to enter off of this. Of course. So now we have a bearish SMT. Okay. If we can like Alright, we have a bearish SMT. Nasdaq's in bearish order flow. ES is in bullish order flow. So I want to stay patient and wait for ES to break to the downside on something on the 5 minute. Because these indexes can go both ways. So ES is just slamming bearish. I don't think there's an entry, honestly, bro. Actually, no. Both indexes are printing bearish. Extremely bearish. Could enter short. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. If I was going to enter, it would have been after this break right here. But the indexes were opposite. I wasn't too confident for that, honestly. Or I could have gone long after this displacement. What is there to the downside? Do we have any more trading opportunities? Nah, I don't think so. You were checked out of this gap. Beautiful. Okay. Continue lower, I guess. Alright, I don't think there was a trade idea today. Indexes are opposite. I feel like I could have gone short. Created a bearish SMT. ES, Nasdaq's in bearish order flow. ES took kind of a while to get into bearish order flow. Because we broke at 10.15 to the downside. And at 10.15 here, we already took out the draw. So I mean, 1 minute SMT, 1 minute break. Go short. Risky because both in the opposite index. Okay. I wouldn't have traded that. Alright. We're going to end this here. We're going to slowly build back into the habit of back testing while recording. This is how the month is looking so far. This week we took 3 trades. Definitely could have been 4, maybe even 5, if I'm going to be honest. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see y'all later. Peace.